Hi, I'm Ruben from Preat. You probably heard recently we introduced the Preat Choice Digital Library. The idea behind it was to provide all the restorative solutions that the clinician, the technician, the complete restorative team needs to provide patients with smiles that they've been missing. So to make things easier, we are introducing our Preat Scan Buddy. What the Scan Buddy is this is the 10 scan bodies that you need to unlock all the possibilities within the Preat Choice Library. So if we're using a Zimmer 3.5 implant and we need to restore it, with the Scan Body in the Scan Buddy kit, you're able to unlock the 17 restorative options, whether that's a Temp cylinder needed for a custom healing abutment, whether it's a tie base needed for zirconia restoration. It's all included within the Choice Library. At the multi-unit interface level, we have 9 possibilities. Be able to do a verification jig digitally. Whatever you're capable of or can think of, it's unlocked using the Preat Scan Buddy. Also, intraoral scans. You're able to print your 3D models with an implant analog. Use the tools. Do what you do best. Restore smiles. Questions, comments, concern? Give us a call. Send us an email. Our technical department is here to support you whenever you need us.